Jeff here from 162 Customizing. You've seen in the past videos that we have an English wheel here that we've been working with. Today, on this video, I'd like to share with you how you can do planishing with the English wheel. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to take this flat sheet of 18 gauge mild steel. We're going to shape it with this hammer. We're going to shape a valley or a hill, whichever way you want to look at it, depending on how you flip it over, I suppose. But we're going to do it with the hammer, and then we're going to take it to the English wheel and do a planishing. So, here we go. Not going to make it very deep. Not going to make a very deep valley or hill, whatever you want to call it. Just going to do it enough to get the point across. Alright, so as you can see, we got a little valley going. And we have hammer marks that we don't want. So let's take it to the English wheel and smooth these out. Okay, so we're going to take out the marks, the hammer marks. But I need to loosen up my tension here. And level. Tighten it up a little bit here. Alright. You hear that noise? That's what it's the wheel going over the hammer marks. We want to hear a smooth after this is once we get this done. And right now we are just working out the hammer marks. Okay, I went over it once with that tension. Add a little more tension to it and continue on. Come on, turn with me. There we go. I'm not pressing down any with my hands. At least this time I'm not. There are times when I want to shape a curve and press down on it, both sides, to help it form the shape I'm looking for. But right now, just planishing, I'm just trying to use it, or just trying to hold it and get the hammer marks out. Oh, there we go. Get back here and get a couple of these. You notice how it's starting to sound smooth? Not all the marks are out yet, but it's starting to sound smooth. A little bit more tension on it, and we'll have it. Turned up the tension just now. It's starting to sound smoother. It's starting to look good as well, from what I see. A little bit more right there. Okay, get back over here. Spin it around, get the other side. It's darn near done. Hammer marks are darn near out. Okay. One spot over here I see I want to get a little better. Alright, that's done. So all the hammer marks are gone. It's sitting flush. And we have our shape. Of course, you'd have to hit it harder if you want a bigger shape, a deeper shape. But that's the basics right there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and watch for the next video. Have a good day, everybody.